6 tips to instill love for the Quran. 1. Make the Quran accessible. Place colorful, child-friendly copies of the Quran in your home where little hands can reach them. Accessibility encourages exploration and familiarity. 2. Incorporate Quranic stories into daily routines. Share short, engaging stories from the Quran at mealtimes or during family gatherings. Stories captivate young minds and convey important lessons. 3. Recite Quranic verses together. Use simple tunes to recite Quranic verses together. Tonal patterns help children remember and connect emotionally to the words they are reciting. 4. Demonstrate your own love for the Quran. When children see their parents engaged in reading and reflecting on the Quran, they mimic this respect and interest. Be a role model in your relationship with the Quran. 5. Encourage memorization with rewards. Create a fun and rewarding system for memorizing surahs and verses. Rewards motivate and make the process enjoyable. 6. Reflect on the meanings of the verses. Discuss the lessons and wisdom found in the Quran to deepen their understanding and connection. Reflection helps internalize the teachings. By weaving the Quran into everyday life, you give your children a lifelong guide and friend. Subscribe for more parenting tips and share your experiences.